Have you wondered why AI writes code fast? But sometimes it's confidently wrong. It'll give you a solution that looks perfect. Proper syntax, good variable names, even comments. But run it, logic fail. Today we're fixing one of the most annoying AI bugs, when the code runs but gives garbage results. AI-generated Python code. Calculate average that forgets to handle empty list. Right. Terminal showing wrong output. 00 error or nan. Here's a classic. I asked an AI to write a function that averages a list of numbers. It gave me def average nums, return sum nums over len nums. It looks clean, right? No error handling. Pass an empty list, division by 0. The AI assumed the list would always have data. Confident. But wrong. Here's how we fix confidently wrong AI code. With defensive programming. Step 1. Identify assumptions. The AI assumed len nums over 0. Step 2. Guard against it. We add if not nums, return 0.0 or raise a clear exception. Step 3. Add a unit test. Assert average 1 equals 0.0. Now the AI's hidden bug is gone. Don't just accept AI output. Always ask, what's missing? Edge cases? Bad inputs? That's the 10% human logic the AI still struggles with. Another common AI logic fail, loops. I asked for a function to find max value in an array. AI wrote, max equals rr0 for I in range len r. If ri is max, max equals ri. See the bug? Range len r minus 1 skips the last element. The fix? Use direct iteration. For value in r, or range len r, no minus 1. AR copies patterns from training data, but doesn't reason about boundaries. Always test edge cases. Verify loops and conditionals. Write unit tests for AI-generated code. So next time AI gives you code that runs, but feels wrong, trust your instincts. Logically test it. Break it on purpose. That's how developers stay ahead of the confident but wrong AI. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.